Hi, learn vegan whole wheat jaggery orange muffins. Vegan muffins made with whole wheat jaggery and orange juice. I tried these muffins for the first time and to my surprise, the muffins were so moist and soft. You should try this recipe and see the result. In a bowl, add orange juice half plus 1/8 cup, jaggery half cup tightly packed. Whisk well until it dissolves completely. Now add oil 1/4 cup and whisk it well. When I saw this recipe, it tempted me so much seeing the texture. So baked it the next day itself, and believe me, it was so good that my son loved it so much. Even hubby, who always complains about my whole wheat trials, gave a thumbs up to this. Now add vanilla essence half teaspoon. Whisk well. I can say this is one of my best bakes so far, especially with whole wheat flour. The muffins were not dense as it always happens with whole wheat bakes with so less oil and no fatty ingredients. I was awed by the outcome of these muffins. Anyone could easily fall for these healthy muffins. Now add baking powder half teaspoon, baking soda half teaspoon to it and mix. Here you can see the bubbles. Now it's time to add flour, 1 cup whole wheat flour. Sieve the flour and whisk well so that there are no lumps. It should be a creamy batter. You can even replace half and half of wheat flour and all-purpose flour. To get desired consistency of the batter, it depends on the variety of the whole wheat flour. You need to note that the batter should be flowing and little runny, so adjust accordingly. Here I have added orange food color, few drops of orange food colors. It's a optional. And now add 1 teaspoon of grated orange peel. Mix well, the batter will be little runny. Line muffin liner in your muffin pan and keep it ready. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I used my ice cream scooper to scoop out the batter to get even sized muffins. Scoop the batter and pour till 3/4 of the mold. Bake in preheated oven for 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the muffin comes out clean. Take the muffins and cool down. The cake rises well, so don't fill more than 3/4, else it will overflow while baking. Share your baked orange muffins pics. Like, share and subscribe to get family friendly recipes in your inbox. Thank you.